Okay, I'm gonna take you along today as we get a lot done and plan and have a family Christmas party. So we started off our day down actually where we used to live. I delivered my friends' gifts that I had put together. I got to see a few of my girlfriends and wish them a Merry Christmas. We're home now and we are cleaning and getting our house ready for our family Christmas party. You guys definitely motivate me, so I hope I could do the same for you. So if you feel like you're drowning and you have high anxiety, you are not alone. I am definitely feeling it this year. Apron's on, let's go. The party is up in the main part of the house, but there is a lot of people, so I'm getting my table ready if anyone wants to come down here and have their dinner. And then the kids are going to be hanging out down here for the night, doing their games and everything, so. I'm getting beans for my Boston baked beans that I'm making as a side dish. And this is another reason why I love aprons. You just gather around, get all your beans. That's awesome. Kind of hurts your back a little, but it's all good. Okay, we don't use black beans. We use kidney, Great Northern, beans, regular beans, and butter beans. And we'll see if this fills up the casserole dish that I want to use, and if not, we can add more. Or I've already started on some hamburger on the stove. It's browning up, and we're gonna make some Boston baked beans. I do have a recipe on this. You could do it in your slow cooker, or you can do it in your oven. Tonight we're gonna do the oven because it is, what time is it? It is 3:20, and I think the party starts at 4:30. I'm gonna rinse off the top of the cans, open them up, drain them, put them in here with the hamburger. I'm gonna add some onion in here, some ketchup, some mustard, and we're gonna have some Boston baked beans. I do have some fresh bacon, but I do not feel like cooking bacon and getting the whole house smelling like bacon. So we're gonna use this pre-cooked bacon, and we're just gonna heat it up, get it crunchy, break it up with the hamburger, get it in the pan with everything. You'll see, it's delicious. All right, I have my ground beef in my pan, some chopped onions. I heated up that bacon, and now I rinsed off and wiped off the cans, and I'm opening them up, draining them, and then we're gonna get everything in here, and then we'll add the ketchup and mustard and brown sugar. That was the other thing, brown sugar. I thought I was filming. I was pouring all the cans in, but nope. All right, I got 1 can of butter beans, 1 can of kidney, and 3 pork and bean, 1 northern bean so far. I might add more pork and bean in here. So I don't measure the brown sugar, the ketchup, or the mustard, so I'm just gonna start adding things in. Add some brown sugar. Mustard and ketchup. give this a good mix, and then I'll see if I want to add anything else to it.
You've been taking notice, that much is clear. Now I'm meaning to ask you, hoping you'll take this right. Girl, have you got plans for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holidays should be all about love? More wine by the fire.
Okay, for the party, instead of like a white elephant where it's like random things, it could be good, it could be bad, we did a favorites white elephant. So it's the same game rules, but it's with your favorite thing. So here's Derek's, here's mine, and then the younger kids are doing one, so there's Shaylee's, and the teens are doing the left, right, center game. Did you see what he had on? Aww. Should I get my Christmas sweater on?
It's a Christmas party.
Okay, I have my Christmas sweater on. So Derek and I are matching. Other people are wearing Christmas sweaters too, so that's good. So we brought the beans upstairs. Now we're just gonna go up, have dinner, play games. Right now they're passing around a hot potato game that buzzes you. Hilarious. So enjoy the festivities. I don't know what I'm gonna film, but enjoy. And I'll see you when I am done, and we will get a lot more done around here.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me. Tell me, can you feel it? There is loving in the air. No more feeling lonely or in despair. We give out the presents, they keep coming back for more. No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you that my love is true.
All right, we're wrapping up the night. The party was good. We have leftover beans, which is always good. The kids had a grand old time. Clean off the table and everything from making their ornaments. Kids played games. There's crumbs, cookie crumbs all over. We're gonna get the house picked up before bed. I have a few cards that are missing because I got cards from my friends in New Jersey. And there's a stack of cards somewhere. So one from my cousin and then one from Cat, from Fly Lady Cat. I'm so happy to have, bam, right there, Cat. So I still have a stack. I don't know where it went during the cleaning, but we'll get them up on the closet. Okay, so Shaylee's been working on this gingerbread house and they've been doing a really good job. Okay, over here on the cooking station is where we're keeping all our treats. We have some Christmas M&M cookies left over. I moved the Italian Christmas cookies over here so all the little kids wouldn't eat them because I had some upstairs that I brought to the party. So here's ours. So the kids have been snacking on these. And then we have the Trader Joe's dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's. Oh my word, these are amazing. Amazing. And then from Trader Joe's, the triple ginger snaps. These are so good. There's little bits of ginger in them. And then every year, the thin ribbon candy. It's not Christmas without ribbon candy. 'Tis the season for stretchy pants. We got this. I got it as a gift. It's from Siegel Book. It's a bookstore. All right, the kids are gonna come down, help me pick up. All right, I'm gonna get this done because I'm so tired and I just wanna crawl into bed. So, all right, join me as I get it done. If you need motivation right now to get something done, get your apron. Are you ready? Apron's on, let's go. All right, friends, the house is back. It was a good party. We had a ton of fun. I'm gonna give you advice that I need to follow, let some things go, and enjoy the moment. I'm trying to. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments, what are you doing right now to prepare for Christmas? Is there anything you're stressing out about? And maybe we could all boost each other up.